Learn medical item vocabulary in English. At first, antiseptic, syringe, syringe, surgical scissors, thermometer, digital thermometer, tweezer, tweezer, stethoscope, first aid kit, bandage, bandage, adhesive tape, crutch, crutch, weight machine, weight machine, scalpel, scalpel, headlight, ambulance, stretcher, stretcher, cotton ball, blood sample, test tube, test tube, medicine, medicine, doctor, doctor, nurse, nurse, operation theatre, operation table, hand sanitizer, hand wash, hand wash, capsule, pills, pills, tablet, tablet, blood bag, blood bag, surgical mask, surgical cap, scrub, scrub, medical gloves, tray, tray, kidney tray, pregnancy test kit, saline, saline, inhaler, IV drip stand, wheelchair, wheelchair, contact lens, hospital bed, oxygen mask, oxygen mask, patient monitor, gauze, gauze, feeding tube, feeding tube, blood pressure monitor, walking stick, walking stick, x-ray, x-ray, x-ray machine, brushes, brushes, plaster, plaster, microscope, microscope, prescription, prescription, urine sample, urine sample, IV bag, dental pick, dental pick, tissue, tissue. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video lesson, please do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel Sutapa English Teaching.